the Maharashtra local polls. After a wipeout in the Lok Sabha polls, the NDA or the Mahayuti in Maharashtra wins the semi-finale to the crucial state assembly elections. The NDA has won all 9 seats that it fielded candidates on, but a big setback for Sharad Pawar's NCP as Sharad Pawar's candidate loses in these crucial elections. What are the larger ramifications of this? We'll go across to Radhika, but before that, listen in to what Ajit Pawar had to say.
5 विधायकों ने हमें सपोर्ट किया है, उनका मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं और धन्यवाद भी देना चाहता हूं और सबका अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। चुनाव जब रहता है तो एलिगेशन होते हैं, एलिगेशन के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता, अपना काम करने का, विकास करने का और विकास के रास्ते से आगे जाने का।
And let me go straight across to my colleague Radhika Ramaswamy. Radhika, break it down for us. What are the larger political messages that are coming out of this result? Because we must also not forget that these are MLAs who really form the electoral college as far as the local polls are concerned. This is not the people's mandate.
This is not the people's mandate, which is why we heard Mahesh Tapase there saying that, the NDA is capable of, buying of MLAs, which is what they've done in the past. Perhaps that is what they're continuing to do. So big allegation there by the NCP Sharad Pawar leader, since it's not people's mandate. But, as far as the entire voting process is concerned, of course, this was for 11 seats, 12 candidates were in the fray, and now of course Mahayuti sweeping 9 out of 9 and MVA winning just 2 out of 3. Of course MVA had fielded that extra candidate Milind Narvekar despite it not having the numbers, but it depending on the smaller parties as well as on cross voting. It was a very confident Uddhav Thackeray who had fielded Milind Narvekar despite the fact that Uddhav Thackeray himself didn't have that many MLAs. It needed 23 to win. Each candidate needed 23 votes to win. They didn't have that many MLAs within Uddhav Sena, but were depending on Congress's surplus votes certainly, and of course on independence. But looks like Congress's surplus votes, instead of going to its own alliance partners, including Jayant Patil or Milind Narvekar, of course Milind Narvekar has won, scraped through in fact, but it didn't go to Jayant Patil. Instead looks like it has gone to Mahayuti. Mahayuti didn't have that many numbers. Of course, it did depend on smaller parties and independents, but it also had to depend on some amount of cross voting. And looks like that's what happened. At least about 7 to 8 votes from Congress has shifted to the other side. So it basically means Mahayuti is still intact. Obviously there were rumors and murmurs doing the rounds that Ajit Pawar faction is not intact. There will be cross voting from there. But good news for Ajit Pawar, his party looks like is intact. But bad news for MVA, looks like Congress party is unhappy there.